Coco from Beebeecraft Artist channel, and today I have some products to share with you. So I've been contacted recently by Beebeecraft and asked if I'd be willing to review some of the products they are selling. So I was able to choose from the website and they sent me free of charge the next items. So in this video I will show you what I received and then I will make some tutorials with these products. This is a Christmas bracelet kit for beginners. So it's easy to create and fun to wear because this kit contains everything you need to create a Christmas bracelet for women and girls. So we have here spacer beads, we have Christmas tree charms and snowflakes. Let's open to see. We have Christmas trees, we have snowflakes, these are the spacer beads. We also have white, red and green beads, jingle bells charms, and also we have a lot of crystal thread. It all came in this plastic box. So the second item, it's a kit that contains everything you need to make hair clips, hair rolls, also hair bands. So this kit contains hair bands, you see white and it's a light green. Also has like 4 sizes of hair clips. This ones, there are 3 sizes of this type, and also the normal clip, Hello Kitty resin, accessories, buttons, also different types and sizes of beads and pearls. And in the same bag we have some lace, this lace here, and also a great variety of grosgrain for ribbons. There's some elastic here, double-sided adhesive tape and glue sticks for the hot glue gun. And these are some very useful instructions. If it's the first time you are making these clips, the instructions are very useful. The third product, it's a quilling set, and it came in this handy plastic box and contains 1 template board. We have a curling coach tool. This one here. We have ball beads, 4 bags with different sizes of quilling stripes. They are between 3 and 10 millimeters wide. It's a total of 1000 stripes. So we have a glue bottle, a tweezer, a quilling pen. So thank you Beebeecraft for sending me all these lovely items. Thank you everyone for watching. You can find all the links regarding these products in the video description below. I hope you enjoy my videos, and if so, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share to support my channel. See you all next time. Bye!